Hey, thanks so much for stopping in. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's. I'm going to show you how to make a perfect Hollandaise sauce from scratch. Hollandaise is one of the classical 5 French mother sauces. The other ones are Espangole, sauce tomate, Veloute, and Béchamel. Hollandaise, for some reason, seems to be a scary sauce to make, but I promise you, if you follow these foolproof procedures, it will be perfect every single time. Here is how you make it. We are going to start off by separating some egg yolks from the egg whites. So simply crack your egg and then bobble the yolk back and forth between both shells so that the whites drop into one bowl, and then we're gonna place the yolks in a large metal bowl. Once you have 4 yolks, we are good to go. And oh yeah, those egg whites, perfect to set aside for an egg white omelet at another time. All right, let's add a little bit of white distilled vinegar in here. We are going to begin whisking this until it's just combined. Then we're going over to the cooktop. I have a medium-sized pot that's about 1/4 of the way filled with water, and it's simmering. See those little bubbles on there? It's over low heat. We are going to add that bowl right onto this pot. This is known as a double boiler. We are going to vigorously whisk this for about 4 to 5 minutes. What we're looking for is a nice thick consistency. Honestly, this is almost a sauce in itself. See how thick this is? Absolutely perfect. Let's remove it from the heat. Now I've got some melted unsalted butter. Now I've got a cup here. We're probably only going to need about a 1/2 cup, but we're gonna add it in a few tablespoons at a time while vigorously whisking until our sauce begins to thicken up even more. And really quick, if say you've added in too much of that unsalted butter, go over to that pot where the water is and add in a few tablespoons of hot water. It will thin it out quickly. All right, going back over, going to add in a few more tablespoons of the melted butter. And I know I'm at a good place when I can make a figure 8 and that 8 holds for a few seconds. Got a nice, thick, rich sauce, but we need to finish it off with a few more things, beginning with the juice of 1/2 lemon. Of course, we want to season it up with a little bit of coarse salt. Then, for a little bit of zest and color, a dash of cayenne pepper. This is not a spicy sauce. Do not go overboard. Mix it up until it's combined. Give it a taste. What else does it need? And boom. Foolproof, perfect Hollandaise sauce every single time. And this sauce will hold for 30 to 60 minutes at room temperature. If it gets too thick, just add in a little bit more hot water and whisk it. Perfect. All right. Now, this sauce goes great with many things. I love it over cooked asparagus. I love it on my filet mignon. And very popularly, I love it on eggs benedict. I'm sure you've seen that a million times, but now you've got it homemade from scratch, which makes it even better. All right, I've got a lot of hollandaise to eat. We'll see you next time.